Okay, I'm going to go through and show you the different panes that I have used for my Jigsaw internship, Jigsaw 104. Since it doesn't all go in order and I don't want to take up the whole time, that's why I'm going to show you snippets. So we will start here. One's brother overdosed, one's already on his. I introduced my class using the music, so using the pane with the music. And then let me fast forward here. Down here I'm using the group whiteboard, as you can see, to demonstrate an essay. So we'll go forward with that.
Open evidence and analysis narrow it even further. So if you don't have a broad thesis, then your essay is already off to a rough start. So in the content, make sure you're looking at all of those examples that were provided.
And then as I continue on, I go through and I show them how to create an outline form of an essay.
Develop and transition. Topic sentence, develop and transition was to make sure we could see that everything was relating to the topic sentences.
Then as I continue on, I use a video. So this is me showing a video of how to craft an essay in MLA format.
Therefore, you will highlight everything that you have. You will select this icon with both arrows. Okay, this is the important part that I was talking about, because a lot of people think that they're double spacing, but they're actually not double spacing. They end up quadruple spacing, or the spacing is bigger. So I want you to see that here, how you want to, even if you think it's double spaced.
I paused the video in order to explain and provide further clarification. And then I go through, we go back to the whiteboard and we talk more about how to write an essay. And then we actually write an essay together so they can see what an essay looks like. Over here in the group notes, they were writing their own thesis statements and they were writing some practices for a thesis statement. And then we go back and go through the video and work on writing the essay together.